What if there was a natural way to shrink your fat cells? Perhaps it's time to take a closer look at the contents of your refrigerator, specifically milk, an unexpected player in the game of fat reduction. Firstly, let's delve into the science behind fat cells, or adipocytes. These cells store energy in the form of fat, expanding or shrinking depending on our caloric intake and expenditure. When these cells are overfilled with excess dietary energy, they contribute to weight gain and obesity. Interestingly, the number of fat cells in our body is typically determined during childhood and adolescence and doesn't fluctuate significantly in adulthood. Therefore, the key to managing weight isn't about reducing the quantity of fat cells, but rather controlling their size and behavior. Now let's stir in some milk. The relationship between milk and weight has been a contentious topic for years. However, a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition has shed new light on this subject, suggesting that milk could potentially play a role in reducing fat cells. This research, a randomized crossover trial, involved comparing high levels of milk and dairy consumption to low levels in a group of overweight individuals. The results? Those with higher calcium and dairy intake experienced a significant reduction in body fat, especially around the abdomen. But how does this work? The theory lies in calcium excretion. The loss of calcium in urine could decrease the calcium availability within fat cells, leading to increased use of fat for energy and reduced fat cell size. But remember, these findings are still in early stages, and further research is needed to confirm these effects and the pathways involved. Another interesting piece of the puzzle is leptin, a hormone released by fat cells that regulates hunger and energy expenditure. Some data suggests that adequate calcium intake may improve leptin's efficiency, helping regulate appetite and optimize fat metabolism. Additionally, dairy-derived fatty acid, Trans-Palmitoleic acid, could also play a role. This compound has been associated with a lower incidence of diabetes and a lower body mass index, indicating its potential role in insulin sensitivity and fat metabolism. However, it's crucial to take these findings with a grain of salt. The participants in the study were overweight, so the effects may not be universal. Also, this is just one study within a complex web of dietary and lifestyle factors that influence our health and weight. In conclusion, while milk and dairy products may hold potential benefits for weight management and fat reduction, it's important to maintain a balanced diet and lifestyle. Exercise regularly, eat a variety of nutrient-rich foods, and remember, health isn't about quick fixes, but sustainable habits. We've explored the science behind fat cells and the potential role of milk in reducing their size. So, next time you pour yourself a glass of milk, remember, you might just be giving your body a helping hand in the fight against fat.